because clearly life is tough. No, brat. Don't mind me. Again, just talking to myself. New York, New York, New York. We've got this. Ba-bam-bam. New window. Don't mind me. Here you go. Here you go. Okay, moving on. Sorry, I was watching things do weird things and I was confused why the things were doing the weird things, but I guess it doesn't matter, right? Doesn't matter. It is what it is. Voila. Ellipses. Hi, how are you doing? Are you ready for today? Are you ready? Well, I say for today. For part 2 of today, rather. I know I'm missing something. Nah, I'm missing a few things. This is number 1. You're not ready? Am I ready? No. Ever ready? Probably not. Again, I was just looking at this. It sucks, man. Oh well. Just need to trust in the setup a little bit more. How's the break? Did I go see the horses? I did, ellipses. Yeah, I'm full of grass and I'm a little bit of a mess now, but it is what it is. They were all over the place. It's lots of fun. I say sarcastically. No, I'm joking. I always love going to go and see them. Hey, Bill. Bill, sir. Bill, sir. Hello, Bill, sir. How you doing? How goes it? Oh, hi, live. What up, hi, live? Are you ready? I did. I'm now in my riding towards. Yeah. Sir Bill? Nah, I like Bull Sir. I think we're gonna have to call you Bull Sir. But what's up? What's up, Sir Bill? Thomas? Hey yo, it's been a minute. How's it been going? How you doing? How's everything doing? How's the trading? I'm so ready now for 2 to 3 grand. I mean, high life, that sounds amazing. Sir Bill, how have you been? How's it been going? Liked both streams, we are ready. High life? I love that. Now we should be good to go. Right? Some guy should be here saying, now we ball. Now is the time. Did I go riding in that outfit or did I change? I put a different shirt on. Rip, what's up? I saw your message. I had an aha moment. Is the 70% every day? Or is it mostly Tuesday? Or is it every single day that's 70%? But I had a solid aha moment of what you were actually showing me and I went, are you fool? Sir Bill, time to trade. Yes. Yes, sir. Indeed it is. Yeah, I had like 3 Thanksgivings and helped family move a bunch of... Oh, damn! Did you get anything cool or not really? Because I know sometimes if I help people move out, I end up getting a bunch of weird and wonderful things. Yeah, live. Ba-ba-ba-bum. No. Time to trade. Yes, Sir Bill. Time to trade. Indeed. Whoa, Ellipsis coming back with them. Okay, anyways. Trading's been good. Actually done pre-market technically last night. Oh, well, nice, Thomas. And whoop whoop. We whoop whooping. Was wondering if I mean, I could. Ellipses. I could. I'm just saying, I've written in a dress before. Well, no, I have. But that's just because I'm weird. I could, but I don't think that would be very oh, maybe it'd actually be really comfy. Maybe I should give it a try. You're giving me really bad ideas. Can I make good wealth in trading? Yes, but it's not quick and easy if that's what you're hoping for. Let's say when you go to the horses, starts dropping, but yes, first. Okay. Okay. Interesting, Rip. Serbil, am I bullish today? Well, let's see if New York brings a continuation or a reversal. But yes. Trend is friend, right? And it's trending upwards. Especially right now. On the 1 minute. I haven't checked the higher time frames, but so far since London, we have been going up. I can create wealth in trading. Yeah. I'm new to trading like stuff. Yep. What strategy are you using? Is it worth to learn from like online gurus? But most of them are fake. What do you think? Oh, other work. In all honesty, every strategy works. Theoretically, flipping a coin, buy or sell, could be a strategy. It's just if it makes sense to you and if you know how to execute it. But the most important part is knowing your market structure and what you look for an entry and an exit. Correct? So I have my own little GAN box. I use market auction theory. There's some other confluences and that go into it. And again, it's not perfect. It's definitely not perfect. Rip, and a lot of people can tell you that. It's not a perfect strategy. But for now, it's simple enough. It definitely needs tweaking. Like I said, maybe December, if the charts are gonna calm down in December, I don't know if they will, but in December, maybe I can tweak it so we can hit Jan with a bang and get going. Sorry, I feel like I got distracted though. Did that kind of help you out? If they have a strategy that makes sense to you and you go and back test it and you're like, awesome, this works, then it works. But if anyone ever says it works 100% of the time, roll your eyes and move on. Because no. Ooh, Thomas, actually that's perfect. It is quick and easy. It's the learning curve that shakes most people out. 2, 5, 4, 5, 7. So we moved around 200 points till now. Focus on the first 15 minutes to full. RTH gap. Damn. Okay, Rip, wait. 2, 5, 4, 5, 7. Let's make a Rip. So basically back down here to around VWAP. Okay, so that's what you were looking for. Now taking out majority of, well, everything. Just keep having a look at where we could be going for liquidity grab. Do you see I'm trying to keep my chart a little bit neater? Do you see? Are you proud? What's up? Sigma boys, hi. And Central C, what up? Awakened. Where have I learned trading from? I learned the basics from a friend, and the rest I've learned from everyone here. Believe me, there's a lot of amazing tips. Tips, even knowledge. I think that's the vast amount of knowledge in this community. It can be quite overwhelming sometimes. Hey, Maura, what's up? Good day, only true trader. How was your midday, I guess? Is this a clean chart? I see. I know. I'm trying to be better. I don't know if maybe it's a bad thing, though. Let's have a look at the 5 minute. Let me mark out important. Right? I mean, I can see where the liquidity is. It's not rocket science, so I don't have to mark out every itty bitty bit. Marking out the key ones is a good one, though. Why was this marked out? What was this? I think it was a fair value gap. I mean, I've respected it a little bit. Hasn't filled it properly yet. As we say, I have a clean chart. Now I'm going to start messing around with it. Okay, nothing hectic, nothing hectic. 15 minutes. Okay, now it's going to look real clean because I'm going to do that. No, never mind. I was gonna say something, but I feel like it's a bit of a stupid question, so I'm gonna be quiet. Minute. Oh, actually, come back down there. Awesome. And 4 hour. Still have this gap on the 4 hour, but nearly tapped in there. Awesome. Sorry, I know I've been awfully quiet. I will have a look now. We need a festive chart stat. Are we talking like Thomas festive? Or are we talking like I try and add some Christmas trees somehow? I'm sure I could do that. I can add some Christmas trees, I think. Yeah, Rip, I did. I did indeed. Yeah. Yeah. Yes I am. Maura, what's up? Jordy! How's it going? What's up, homegirl? That's kind of food. That was terrible, Afrikaans. Oh, okay. But I'm good. Wow, that was... I am mortified for myself. Might be. Anyways. Jordy, how was your day? There's emojis. To the left of the chart. Actually, you know what? You are correct. Let's do this. Are we gonna emoji it? Where are my emojis? Wait, stickers? I can add stickers. Some stickers? No, maybe I can't. There we go. I mean, we could add some Elon. I feel like that's a bad idea, though. Oh no, let's do emojis. Unicorn. Christmas! Wait, there we go. No, wait, you gotta be bigger. Just like that. We be festive up in here. I nearly said something really bad and I knew someone was gonna say something. I was about to say we need some like Christmas balls. But that's terrible. Is there something? Need like snow. We need snowflakes. I know the snow will be by the nature stuff, but let's see. Let's go through. I would say sorry for being weird, but I'm pretty sure all of you guys are just so used to me being weird. I'm very sure I went past the snowflakes as well. Where are you snowflakes at? Come here. Nope. Nope, I'm trying to do this quickly. Come. Where y'all at? Where are my little snowflakes at? I mean, there's an ice cube. Oh, right there. Snowflake. Oh, nope, now that's too big. We need little snowflakes. All over the chair. Snowflakes. Except it doesn't slow. Ooh, guys, this is not starting great. Snowflakes! Okay, I should probably focus. Okay, back to focusing. Okay, wait, Rip, it's 9:30 on the dot. It's headed for your level. 9:30 open. Wait. Let me check something again. Rip. Cool. Awesome sauce. But 9:30 open. Let me just mark it here. Correct? Correct. Wait, before I lie. What's the high of the open? Technically, there's the open. Okay. Oh, at this point, I should celebrate each. Celebrate each day should be insane next December. I mean, Sudden, you say that. I'm pretty sure I'm insane already. Put it back. Y'all aren't getting banned. Just be yourself and be respectful. There we go. See? Thomas, you guys need to stop scaring everyone. Yes, I know. It's not just a line. I know. Rip. I'm gonna make it a... I need to make it a whole thing. Yeah, why do you think I kept jumping between? I'm gonna make sure. Bro, 6 times, but I see you actually need a bank to trade it properly. My target for the day was tagged. Want to see if reverse possible? Might wait for 10 minutes. Only 2 traders short the damn thing. Seth, what's up? Oh. Okay, wait. Rip, you want the whole thing marked, correct? Correct. What? Okay, anyways. Hope everyone's having a good day. Hey, some guy, what's up? How you doing? Yeah. And he slowly developed a repeatable process. No, true. Hey, David, isn't it like the middle of the night for you? Ellipses, what's this movement? News or something? No. Not that I know of. Is there any news? I didn't think there was any news. Wait, do we have a first presented? Not yet. I'm getting excited for... Nope, we don't. Never mind. I got all excited for absolutely no reason. Jordy, hi. Young boy never broke again. Are you good? Also, BJH, what's up? You see I paused before saying that. Anyways. Know what you said. Up and look and tell you what you could improve on. When you guys do that, Thomas and Jordy, when you do that, please let me know so I can... Yeah, I'll be quiet, I promise. I just want to hop in and watch. That sounds weird, but yes. Oh, really, Jordy? Thank you. Thanks for the support. Jordy's amazing. Shout out to Jordy for using my code. Jordy, You're the bestest. Just saying. Actually, all you guys are the bestest. Can we check how cool and festive this is? Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay. Moving on. My life. I mean, yeah. Oh, sudden, that was amazing. Some guy, how the horses, oh my goodness. You know what? They were a little bit crazy today, but it is what it is. Literally, I eventually just put Finn into the arena and said, run. And he did. And then I had like a heart attack because I was like, he's gonna, I don't know, do something stupid to himself. But ugh, he's fine. I'm not loving how ES and NQ look very, very different. Wait, first presented. Boop, boop, boop. Nope. I'm sorry, I get way too excited. We can all just chill. Everyone just calm down. Everyone calm down. It looks like it might be, but everyone just chill. Yay! Thanks, Thomas. But yeah, guys, seriously, when you do, let me know. I would love to just come and watch. Shorty, my band. Which application are you asking? I'm using Project X using, damn. Project X using top 1 futures. Holy moly. Some guy, no. Like, I love them. I love them too much, but no. Half the time, they just feel like they are fragile little, I love them to bits, so bear with me, but they are fragile little idiots. I swear, I come every day and I'm like, there's a new scratch and bump, and how did you do that? He ran into a fence today. I don't even understand how. It was a huge solid fence. He dunked into it. I was like, okay. It's true. Okay, thanks. Holy rocket ship. Mad goat? Sure. Can you share the link of the broker? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Everything is in the description below. But give me a second. I can send you a link of all the brokers if you want. Give me 2 seconds. I can send you this. Sorry, you're all gonna get a bit annoyed with me, but anyways. But I can send you this and you can have a look at all of these. I can't send you this. It doesn't like that I've put too many. Nope. 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 I'm messing around. I need to focus. Give me 2 minutes. I'll be back to focusing. Oh, the only one I've missed is then funded next. No, and when I've tried. Okay, never mind. Description below has everything. I tried. I apologize. I did try. I can send you specifically top 1 if you want. Oh, that's a bit of a tricky one. It depends. Why are they? But for me, what's pretty awesome. What is this? Well, we have it first presented, but it's just going off to the flipping moon. Hey, RIP, is this level still valid? I have a RIP level up here. At 25628. This must have been from a while ago, but I have a RIP level. Just saying. I got distracted again. Where's the other horses or other donkeys? I don't know. What? Byron, whoop whoop, well done. But no, Lumi, not quite. No, not really. Sorry, I was gonna say not quietly. I need to focus again. You are welcome. Like I said, everything is in the description. You can go have a look. Hopefully it helps. Talisman, what's up? That's a cliff, it will drop. What, do you think this is a fake out? It finally pumped up on ES as well. It could be just a retracement back down. I feel like we need confirmation. Do I make this mistake again? Do I not make this mistake again? Part of me is thinking maybe I do this, but hey David, you missed nothing. I got distracted talking about prop firms for a second, and we're back. See, it built and dropped off at the left. How far left are you talking? Which time frame are you looking at? Talking about like here? Oh, ooh, sorry, Christmas tree. I could be put around here, wait for time. Here, rip. Waiting for retesting 434 to go long. 434. Damn, okay. So this is a little bit of a sitting and waiting game. Are we going to continue to the moon? Was this just a fake out? Hardly winning? Are you becoming better every day? That's amazing. Sudden, you think you would sell this? Make the mistake so you can learn it again. Nox, the problem is, I thought I was gonna make this mistake. Oh, wait, I can just watch ES right now. The fact that ES is moving so much with the sell side and NQ isn't, tells me there are a few more buyers in NQ, but it does mean that eventually I think sellers will win. Just from what I've noticed. I could also be talking rubbish, sorry. I'm not going to ask about the Christmas tree. Thomas thought it had to be a little bit more festive, so I added Christmas tree and snows. Snows? Snowflake? Yeah. I should have been done by now, but missed the long. No, Rip, sorry. Well, you know it happens. You've definitely watched me miss things way too many times. Hey! Isto, what's up? This is high, yes, thank you. Right now, point of resistance, but we may go more up. Ellipses, snowflakes. Little snowflakes. Snowflakes. Whee! Except, you know, it's not even like we get snow in South Africa, but it's a nice thought. Maybe one day I'll experience a white Christmas, a snowy Christmas. Brandon, what's up? Malcolm? But ES is moving solidly. NQ or MNQ, whatever. Not so much. Okay, let's do this. It snows in Africa, you know, global warming mixed up. I mean, it has snowed in Africa before. There actually was snow this year, but it depends on where you are. I didn't experience any of the snow, which was kind of a bummer, but there was snow, believe it or not, on the Drakensberg. There'll be another Ice Age one day. If you live as long as I have, you might get to see it. Some guy. Go to Lesotho for skiing. Really? See, Knox? Maybe I'm just gonna do that. Sniper 47, what up? Now we sit and wait. Was that it? Was this the move? Couldn't have been the move. Oh, by the way, sorry, Rip, I don't know if you answered me or not about this level. The 6 to 8 level. That's still a valid level. I see I put Rip there, which means it's a Rip level. Embodying. Ellipses, I was sitting there going, I'm trying to decipher this right now, but embodying, got it. Hey there, I'm in South Africa as well, only getting rain this week. Nice, Malcolm, amazing. What part of South Africa are you from? Adrian, hi. Knox, whoa. Oh, here we go. This could be... Leave it alone, you're gonna get yelled at. It's like a magnet, but does it? No, don't do it. I was gonna say... that I wanted to be cheeky, and even if I don't take this, but I see the trade headed in the correct direction, I mark it in. But that's a bad idea, and that's not being good with discipline. And we do discipline. My keyboard making me look bad. Okay. I just use them one day if anyone wants to go on a rabbit hole with. This be my guess. Interesting. Okay. This way David can't hurt you with it. Okay, I've missed something, David. Sudden, I'm not that bad. That's A. Oh, wow. Okay, I feel like I missed a bunch of things this morning, but apparently David is the villain. David, I don't know what you did, but it sounds bad. Don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. Part of me still wanted to maybe do this, but I'm like, no, don't do it, not worth it. Leave it alone. I wanted to FAFO, F around and find out. But that's a bad idea because you find out when you F around. Skeletor? I love that. What do you call one of Santa's helpers that won the lottery? Wealthy. Oh, I love it. What is the purpose of the lines I draw? Which lines? They are different purposes to each line. Also, hi Christian, what's up? Joy of travel. It was frustrating. It ran away without me. And then in true Maya form, I missed... No. It ran off without me, and at around this time, I missed potentially one setup today. And it was a little bit risky because it... Okay, so no, I didn't miss it. I need to remind myself about that. it took out Asia high, so I expected it to retrace further back down before the continuation back up. It actually would have been a good trade, but it was a valid reason to not take it. So unfortunately, London just left without me. It was rude. Day 4, duck around and find out. Yes, rip, I love it. There we go. Good afternoon, Attila. Hi. Whatever. I love this not trading, not dollar. You find out when you fluff around. You're not gonna take it. It's a classic Christmas tree pattern ready to play out. You know, damn, some guy, when you're right, you're right. Look at it go. I'm gonna do a proper Christmas tree pattern. I love it. This is so what's up? Lipsy, I think it is. I think we have to start making Christmas tree patterns a thing. Off to a faster start today. Yep, Morris, it definitely is. But faster start and now just consolidation. Which is annoying. The lines with the numbers next to it. Oh, Christian, so this is my GAN box. So, here we go. Connects it. It's my GAN box. I use bottom of the range, top of the range. This is basically my strategy. Bottom of the range, top of the range. If I were to place a trade, it would look essentially like this. The 0.5 is my entry. If I can get it on there we go. 0.2 is stop loss, and 2 are up at the 1.1 would be my TP. However, obviously there's a little bit more that goes into it. Need at least 3 confluences, which looking at this, part of me wants to say, maybe it's not a bad idea, except if we look at the time, rip, I know 10 could potentially be a reversal. Rip, you do look at time, you do look at time. Yep. Could potentially be a reversal. So this could be a good trade, or it could absolutely screw me. But, I mean, this just is consolidating right now. Hey Bob, what's up? Blue up, white is downward trend. Yes. Thank you. High Life, how's the trading going, by the way? Is High Life in something and is it working? Okay, ellipses, I just worked. Yeah, guys, don't forget to like this. Oh, yeah. Rip. Yes. See, I am learning. I am learning. Watch it now work out perfectly. I will lose it, but it's so close to 10, and 10 can be risque. Let's see. This up move is still valid till 675. Really? What's at 675? Okay. I'd have to zoom out to check what's at 675. Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, move out my way, please. Thank you. I know I put it there, but still. How many contracts do you tend to use? Was that 50 plus? I usually operate with around 25. Byron, yeah, so that's the problem with this trade as well. This is rather large. It's a 40, yeah, that's like a 40-point stop loss, which is a tad bit bigger than I like. This would probably be 2 contracts if I take it, because I'm not super happy with the time. Maybe 1 contract. hiccups back. Deep breaths. Okay. Now we just talk like this. It's fine. Nox, I will put you on a timeout. I swear, if anyone else starts to say 67, I'm gonna start putting people on timeouts. Like 60 seconds timeout. First scalpers in. That was a win. Hey, Joy of Travel, whoop whoop, well done. That is amazing. Martin for that, and Marciano. Hi. This just kind of looks like it's... Why was the snowman arrested? He was up to snow good. Oh, Skeletor, that's not bad. Yeah, David, that's it. David, that's it. Time out. You get 10 seconds. Because that was the first warning. Boom. In the naughty corner you go. Ah, flip. Is it bad that I want to potentially set this trade? Is it a bad idea with how much? Okay, let's see what happens at 10. We have 3 minutes to go. 3 minutes, let's see what 10 a.m. brings. Ah, David, no, stop it. Nox, why did I enjoy that? What? Why did I enjoy putting someone in timeout? No, that sounds terrible. Damn it, David, you've now ruined that, because now that just sounds bad. I feel like as a female, just as a female, if you say anything, it can be used against you in a bit of a weird way, which is not very nice. Duck around and find out. Okay, Rip, I know. Like I said, I'm gonna wait at least until 10, which is coming up. 2 minutes. My whole shoulder just clicked. Moving on. You've also closed your swing trade. Also a big one. Oh, whoop whoop, Joy of Travel. What the heck, man? He did something. True. He is your winner, so heads up from Chicago. 10th live viewer. What up? Hey! What up, Marty? How's it going? Entered long at 25524 and took TP at 25589. Damn, Byron! Bob! Don't do that. Don't do that. Now I gotta be more confident though. Okay, let's see. I've never been able to click my neck. I also don't really want to learn how to click my neck. I feel like that's a bad idea. Okay. The resistance and the lower lows might be a good sign for sell. Noxy boy? It's a little bit tricky to tell, to be fair, Nox. Because it's just, it's consolidating. Consolidating? Oh, English, find me now. Where's my little positive penguin? We gotta be positive right now, because that was bad. That was terrible. Chill out. And how was it? Don't want to crack my neck. I feel like I might go too far one day and just... Right, Skeletor. Yeah, that's what I'm always really, really scared about. Let's maybe not do that. Boom, what's up? There goes David being wet. Boom, always. I'm trying to decide if he needs to go on another flipping 10-second timeout. It's bull flagging. No judgment, just don't forget the safe word. What's the safe word? Promise you guys, if you say 67 is the safe word, I'm gonna have a moment. Wait, Bob, you really think this is bull flagging? Up 500. I want to take one more trade long though. Chill out. Whoop whoop. That is amazing. Solana is boosting. I've heard Solana's not doing bad. Do I know what exactly that is? No, not really, but... So right idea, just didn't come to the level I wanted it to. So Nox basically impulse and correction. Oh, you know. Wanted to check one last thing. Oh, I'm breaking my thing. Okay, we're back. Essentially impulse and corrections. Yeah. A little bit of correction for the impulse. Kind of grabs a bunch of liquidity before the big move. Obviously not always, but... Okay. RIP, it took that level. Just by the way, in case you were watching. That type of day, yep. Safe word 76. Safe word is rubber ducky nat 67. Oh my greatness, okay. I swear, we just get weirder and weirder every single time we hop on this stream. No complaints, it's lots of fun, but my greatness. That one's just too big. Okay. Clearly the buyers are just in control here today. Going up past that level. Yeah, 10 just went up now. Took out an old rip level. How big is this? I'm not super confident, so I'm only going to put like two contracts. Because I have to prove, I don't have to prove anything. Let's maybe not say that, but I have to be a little bit more bold. We're going to stick. What's it? What is friend? What? Trend is friend. Oh my goodness, that was bugging me. I was about to say market structures friend. I was like, that's not it. Friend is friend. Bobby green on the day. Took mine level to level. Oh, amazing. Where's your next level now? Why don't trade RTY? Never looked into it, if I'm being honest. I absolutely hate what it's doing on ES right now. ES does not look good. Who's trading ES at the moment? Ellipses like some guy meant. You know what, Ellipses? You are correct. Why didn't I just follow the Christmas tree? Oh no, Jordy! Careful here. Jordy, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Jordy. ES looks like garbage today, though. What the heck? it's doing the sad thing. It's doing seek and destroy. And what do we do when it's sad, Geordie? We don't trade it, because sad backwards is death. No. Okay, moving on. Hey, Central, what's up? What chart is it? This is the Nasdaq futures chart. My arm. Hey, Ethan, what's up? Zola, hey. Okay, but at least I'm kind of being a silly goose, but I'm not being a silly goose. Ellipses, yes. Ellipses, have you never heard that? Put level at 715. Okay, I'm gonna put a bob level. I'm gonna even write it down. 715. Mother fluffer, go to 715. Why does it love doing this? Okay, I'll put it there. Let's do bob. Again. Bob. Okay, we got a bob level. Oh, this does not look good. Nope, stop being a negative Nancy. Just shush. Just shush. Oh, I could just drag it down. I keep forgetting I could just drag it down. It's weird comments like before are the reason why I shouldn't be awake at 2 a.m. I mean, I'm curious if this thing has enough gas to make it. Bob, I don't know. I'm watching ES. You know, I think it might, Bob. I think it might. It actually might. Watch it just not, well. I'm gonna be quiet. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna be quiet. Hey, sincerely, what's up? Archie. Exit Studio, welcome back. Stacks, heyo. Chill out, you're long on NQ. Nice. Where did you get in? The mush bag. I don't know how I feel about that, but that's the next supply zone. Oh, okay. It's chopping in a demand zone right now. I'm following this up because I'm curious about the full range, but in the same breath, I highly doubt it's going to come back this far, so let's just do that for now. It's just running away without me. What did I do? I did something. Who knew? Who knew? Oh, I could probably delete that as well. Okay, y'all are witnesses. I have placed a trade. This is gonna probably take me out. Maybe. Ryan, what's up? Also, the mush bag, are you still here? Interesting name. I have questions. Oh, I've missed a bunch of things. Oh. Oh, I see, Bob. Okay. What a flipping awesome trade. Like I said, one day when I'm big, I'll be as cool as Bob. No! And ripping them. Just leave it alone, just leave it alone, just leave it alone. Else you keep doing things and then you regret it. Just leave it alone. It's 2 contracts, it's small, it's gonna be absolutely nothing. Regardless of what happens. Some guy, only 3 to 5 minute structure, awesome. 12 travel, 1 more trade and then you're done for the day. Son, don't come here with that! Michael, nobody should long this. Well, it's a bit late. Well, I guess it's not late, but it's okay. Now it's a bit late. Because I'm trying to be better at taking the setup. Trying being the keyword. Hey, wait a second. I am nervous now. Don't get me wrong, but it is why I indeed put only 2 contracts in on this one. More, I don't have any long-term plan in trading yet. It is why I'm here. It does look like the sellers want to win. Come on, buyers. Come on, buyers. Come on, tapped into the shelf. We keep bouncing back. Theoretically, I should put it at break even with the market how it's being right now, but let's see. Can nearly mitigate by half, mitigate risk by half. Okay. Mitigating risk by half, it's at that level. I'm gonna take out 1 here. And I'm gonna leave 1 running. Well, if it goes that high up. If it goes that high up. Knox said it, don't forget, thank you. Activate Sweet Talk. I feel like it doesn't like it when I do Sweet Talk. So I don't know if that's the best idea. You know, if I really want to mitigate risk completely, I could just pop it at break even because apparently it's a little bit of a risky trade. So break even, worst case scenario. It's a break even. We don't know when they're going to start something off. I love those statements. Don't long, don't short, bro. Explain why if you don't know why. And I say it. Well, chill out, let's see. It also doesn't like when you mitigate risk. I know. But, there. Okay. Now it can decide what it wants to do. If it wants to push higher, it can go higher. If it wants to take me out of break even, it can take me out of break even. Turtle up the hill. Thanks, Michael. Hey, how are you doing? I love the turtle up the hill thing. That's brilliant. That's me walking up hills. I'm also like, why? All the time. Sincerely yours truly, hi. What strategy do I use? I have my own little GAN box. It uses a mix between ICT and SMC confluences. Oh dear. Oh well, either way. Is break even. Love me a big heel. Well, you know what, David? Rather that. Still a long way to go up. Sir Bill, you think so? Also, Sir Bill, you've been here the whole time? Been awfully quiet. I'm now not looking. Whatever happens, happens. And I've set it so that it's there, and I'm going to leave 1 runner. So let's see. here, 10 low is taken. Might want to take the most recent low. Okay. I'm done 500. Whoop whoop, chill out. And that's amazing. Oh, nice, Serbil. There we go. How's your trading going? Nice, you're in the right place. Amazing. Sincerely yours truly. I'm assuming you use the same. Are you still a beginner? Or how is it for you? Dion, what's up? Part of me wants to trail the itty bitty little bit now. And maybe that's a mistake, but take profit, right? Have a little bit more green in case it does that. If it takes me out and then goes up, well, then I guess it just is what it is. Oh, thanks. I'm trying. Trading since 1993. Damn, Serbil. What? And I'm assuming profitable. I know it's bad to assume, because you never know, but I'm assuming profitable. It'll go up, but it'll probably be a slow grind up. You know what? Chill out. I'm good to chill out. Okay. That was very lame. I'm sorry. Before that back in the buy, now moved up. My stop and it keeps running high. Oh, nice. How do you know, Rip? Data. You don't have a retest of previous highs on your list of conferences. You should add it to your list. Retest of previous highs. Thank you, thank you. Oh, need to open my notepad. I'm trying not to watch, like, whatever happens, happens now. Either way, it's gonna be a little bit in the green, so thumbs up. A little bit of a whoop-de-whoop, but that's fine. And yes, I just said whoop-de-whoop. How much capital did I start trading with? Priam? You need, wait. Sorry, give me 2 seconds. I would say you need minimum of $500 to start with. And minimum being the keyword there. Rookie 6 months in the game now. Ooh, struggling with fear of pressing buy, sell. Oh, sincerely yours truly. Don't worry. Same. I do the same thing and then I overanalyze things. You can ask everyone here. It is a pain in the butt. But I think that just comes with time and practice and trusting your strategy, right? Tula, what's up? Is in the candles. Strip them. Highs, lows. Your entry was a retest of those highs to left. Yes. Oh. So some guy. Okay, that makes it. I call it a shelf. So I do use it as a confluence. I just call it a shelf. Maybe it's not the correct thing to call it, but yeah. So one of my confluences is my shelf. Looks just like that upside down J thing. Oh, you're right. Well, let's see if it was a mistake to potentially have gone up, well, followed slightly, but it is what it is. I know, David, but maybe, you know what, I think... Let's see, it's kind of triple topped on ES. Triple topped? That's a thing, right? Triple tapped? Oh, no, it's going down on ES. Yep. Okay. Hey. Well, point is, we're still a little bit in the green. Oopsie, here we go. There's that triple... enjoy. Thank you. Oh, that's what I call a shop. Yes. Sorry, some guy. Between the ducking 10 high and low might be an enigma. You know what, Rip? I think it is an enigma. You're right. Who knows? It is indeed a mystery. Hey. This whole range here. Oh damn, like to the point. This is interesting. I know you've mentioned it before. Just the aha sometimes happens a little later on, sorry. Some guy, what happened? Amazing. That is amazing. Oh no, oh, but that's okay. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I mean, to be fair, some guy, that's pretty much what my phone auto corrects things to as well. So it's okay. I get it. I get it. Okay, well, we are $23 up right now, and I feel like the point is I took the trade, so it's a stop. You little bastardo, why are you going back up now? See, part of me wants to re-enter, and I'm like, no, that's now being cheeky. Accept it for what it is. However, theoretically, me being cheeky was moving it to break even in the first place. I'm just gonna hold my little positive penguin because that market in button's looking a little bit too juicy right now. Oh, it looks so juicy right now. Damn it. Okay. Guys, stick to your rules. Stick to your rules. You have them for a reason. What is wrong with you? It's fine. Stop loss hunters are out here running. I want to stay. Thomas, time for TP. Wow. Yeah. And Ellipses, how adorable. Like, he is the best. I wish he could balance on my head, or else he would just chill there the whole time. I don't have anywhere to balance him that won't get people being weird, because I mean, I could, nah. Okay, let's see who wins. I think the buyers are going to eventually win this war that's happening. Nice. Little cool. Until what time do I trade? I trade until... Where are you from, by the way? Okay, let me just use EST time. I trade until around 11:30 EST time. If you're in South Africa, I trade until like 6 PM. Apple Butter, hi! I didn't even see you! Where's Apple Butter? Apple Butter, are you still here? I feel really bad. Hi, what was my biggest win? Around $450? Sorry, I keep a 1 to 2 hour trade. I had the right idea. I had the right idea. I took the trade. Don't be a big baby. So I'm grumpy at myself because rules are actually only go break even when it goes to around the 70%. Also, it's just mitigate risk by half. But I wasn't trusting it, so I'm just gonna be quiet and just see what happens now. Point is, we're still in the green. I know it's only $23, but green is green, right, guys? Observations included male penguins and physically abusing you. Rip, why would you do that? Rip, that was so unnecessary. So Rod, what strategy is this? It's my own little strategy. It's a little GAN box. Anyways. I'm upset now. Moving on. The GAN box, but it includes some SMC and ICT concepts as the confluences and confirmations. Oh, thanks, Nox. Enjoy. Yay, apple butter. Anything for you? Although ES looks like it's being a bit of a problem today. TP1 taken. Thomas, whoop whoop. Kevin, are you speaking English? What? Shout if it touches that box down there. This one. You thinking about the first presented. Cute, those penguins indeed. You know what? Rip, rip, rip. Right now it's a power struggle between bullish and bearish liquidity. Yeah. Who do you think's gonna win? Oh, damn, okay. Either way, it looks like it would have been a break even, so I feel a little bit better now. If it had hit TP before, I would have been unimpressed. I got a good long earlier. Oh, nice apple butter. Hey, Curtis, what's up? How's it been going? Sorry, hiccups. Have I had a profitable month? I actually, a break-even month. Let's call it a break-even month. I'm not gonna say profitable, but we're getting to break-even, which is better than losses, right? Oh, some guy I have. I really, really have. I guess. Okay, let's just... The little cute crocheted version, okay? Let's just look at the cute crocheted version and go, to this. Let's not look at facts. Can we speak about... So I watched something today. How terrifying are flamingos? They make no sense. Flamingos are... It's so late. Why? That's weird. Okay, the monkeys are here, but why are they so late? That's so weird. Probably kind of funded. Sincerely yours. I'm using a prop firm, by the way. Wouldn't want to get your best. Good luck, Steph. Oh, thank you. Am I with Photon? No. What's that? I don't even know what Photon is. It's about to hit full TP on bearish liquidity sweep. Ooh, damn. Okay. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Sellers have officially won. I'm going to be curious about the full range, so I'm just going to draw the full range quick sticks. Like I said, curiosity getting the best of me. Where's VWAP? Oh, it's down there. Okay. One. Finishly 3. Okay, let's see how it... Oh! Sellers have won. Nox, I don't know if you're still around, but it's basically nearly touched the box. Well then. Holy moly. Wonder thinkers, I'm from South Africa. Look, you're gambling. I can see it clearly. How? Rug? Ew, rip, sorry, I just saw that comment now. Gross, man. That is not okay. Wish I could help you with the trade today. There's a little drop. Talk about momentum, right? Close the pool, and I'm in. Might long it at first presented. Jordy? You see how I have the full range going here? Though it does look like the sellers still kind of want to be in control right now. I took longs, called it. Oh, elite profits, nice. I've seen longs go into like 5-minute market, open price consolidating. Would have played out, would have been shorts. Oh, nice. Okay, well done. Luvate, long time. Rug, I was thinking about taking a short. Yeah, not long. Potentially a short, yeah. If it's time to get long term, move your box at the top to 623 to the high. When it leaves the zone, that's your breaker structure. When we tap back into the range, we sweep that breaker liquidity into short. Wait. You move your box at the top to 623. Go away. Six, 2, 3. So up a little bit, can we please? Okay. To the high. Wait, are you sure that's correct? Were you thinking about the 654, Thomas? Zone. Breaker structure. Let me sweep that breaker liquidity into short. Let's see. We just full TP'd when we took sell side. No. Okay. Damn. Hold on, Thomas. Oh, wait, I got you. Thomas, maybe if you don't mind, can you send me a screenshot? Please. Can I get a whoop whoop? Let's go. Only true trader. Whoop whoop. Put your money in now. Yes, I'm going. It's down now. I'll go down now. Thanks, Thomas. Whoop whoop. Field 360. That was. Yeah, for more female asset traders. Thank you. Whoop whoop. There we go. Ah, look at some guy is just some guy. Ah, damn it! Beat me to the punch, guy. Oh, gosh. Whoop whoop to all the fellas. Exactly. Jordy, how are you doing? How's it going? Are you gonna try to take something? Now that's gone into the first presented, or not really? What you thinking? I'm down to a nip. I'm so sorry. Rug, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Jordy, are you taking the long? Let me see. Oh no. Hasn't sent it yet. That's okay. You're dropping cash now. Hey, Luvit, do you think this is gonna start going up? Is that what you think? Interesting. Wait. Oh. Is it bad that I want to change my entry to closer to here? Maybe it's a bad idea. Maybe I should just leave it as is. It is crashing. Okay. Luvitz, are you buying right now? What's your plan? We're all a little bit confused right now. Thanks, apple butter. Apple butter? Have you gotten any trades in? Expectation for the next 10 months. A sideways 10 months? 10 months? Yeah, that's hectic. $36. It's a tad bit large again. I would prefer entry around here. Screw it, I'm buying it. You're buying? Apple butter, and how was it? Whoop-de whoop, 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 whoop. I look 38. Aw. I'll take it. Bear market is 1 year long each time start October, expecting something wrong. Oh damn, okay. Jordy, where are you buying to? The market is so slow. It'll go down and get some liquidity before going back to the bullish side. 620s. Okay. Can you see where I had the full range entry? Would be here. 1, 2, 3 would be really good for a buy. It was just a bit too big for me to take, unfortunately. Miss Broyle, what's up? The full moon is on the 5th. Does the full moon have anything to do with it? Rug, get ready to buy. Rug, what makes you say that? Yeah, that's an idea from where it is right now. There's a case to be made for it to come down. Hey! Sway. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Apple butter it is. Yes. Yes, it is. Posted in general on DMG. Thank you. Cool. Sorry, I'm saying cool about this range here. Again, it was just too big to take. But cool to see how it worked out. Or how it's working out so far. Let me not get too excited. Why was it too big? Oh, so I only risk around $200 per trade. So let's not push it. Oh, thanks, Apple Buddy. So sweet. So sweet. Good evening from South Africa. Ah. Don't worry, I'm also from South Africa. How's it going? What is a futures trader? I trade the futures market? Are you a trader, Ms. Royal? Yeah, welcome, welcome. There's a bunch of South Africans. That's what I was telling you. That's an aggressive bullish. Okay, so you're just waiting for it to take out the liquidity, the sell side. Hop in there. And go up here. Break even at 562. Ooh, okay. Whoa, that would have sucked. Imagine I said this one. Do you think it's going all the way back up? Jordy, tell me when I can scream whoop whoop for you, okay? You. I'll take that. Yep, exactly. Shush. Jordy, I must really start being a little bit braver with this first presented, because look at that. That is amazing. NQ not for sale, but depends on your strategy. On what basis did I take the trade? Well, I'm not in a trade, so nothing. Am I 2% for the day? Aw, cheers, Morris. Enjoy. Well done. Whoop, whoop. That's amazing. Let's see. Jordy, has it hit? Oh, damn, Jordy. Have you at least taken partials? Are you trailing? Or what's your plan? I mean, if you want to use a bob level is 715. I'm just saying, if you wanted to use a bob level, but that might be pushing it. I don't know. So Thomas, I don't know if Thomas is still here. Good job, I mean, your setup was right. On a high time frame, you're looking for it to come down to discount. Yeah. Are you talking about the buy? Right? This one here? For it to come back up? Obviously, no mind. Go for bob level. I do like bob, yep. I'm just gonna leave it, that's valid. The trade I called was a move to retest discount. And this was the level you called? And you think it might go back into discount now? Because then I was thinking, but maybe this is now pushing it a bit. I don't know. You guys help take my mind off this thing. Oh, you support Bob level? There we go. +1 for Bob. Is Bob still here? Imagine getting in at 4:30, Noah. Right. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. Potentially a good level for a buy here. Not as good as Geordie's level. Still. I must say, this premium discount is amazing, except sometimes if it goes that far down, if it's been pushing that high, it just carries on going down. ES is definitely looking, it's doing sad things today. I'm making sad things a thing, I'm just saying. Yes, that buy wasn't a good area. No, I'm not saying now, I'm saying, oh, before, thank you. Rip, did you get into the buy at 9:30? Rip, I thought you were looking for shorts. Or potentially looking for shorts. Someone tell me a joke right now. Skeletor, you're up! Let's go, let's go, let's go! Hey, but what's up? Some guy... That was so dark. I love that so much. Some guy, are you good? Oh, okay. Moving on. Oh my word. Hey Bale, what's up? Why didn't I buy when it retested? Are you asking? What are you asking about here? This? I asked about the first presented fair value gap? Why? Sway? Sorry. Okay, I'm just checking. Just checking. 50 cents sell in Jan. I wanted to. Here's the setup. This actually would have been my entry. It was a little bit large. Maybe I could have maybe put one contract in. Even one contract is pushing it a little bit. I have a $200 risk. It's the whole market is by now? The whole market? The whole market? Ah. Oh, don't worry, some guy. I do it all the time, but I don't do it here because some people might not like that very much. They might think I'm not quite right. You're not wrong, but still. I missed the buy at 9:30, then took the short after 10:15. Now I'm gonna buy it. Nice, Rip. That's amazing. Anything for those 35 cents? Okay, again, Lubitz, what the heck does the full moon have to do anything? Or have to do with it? Does the full moon affect, I don't know, the markets? Come on, come on. What the heck, man? Okay, it's at this little bit of resistance level again. I have to be positive. I at least took one trade that I thought was decent, yes. Appetite, I don't know. Boom, no, it was a break even, but I'm up $23. Does that count? Does it just take something at the high? For whoever's long. What the heck, man? Boom! Did you get in on this? I'm assuming you did. Take something off and let it go to Bob. I mean, no, I don't even... Turns into a werewolf. Growth, what type of trading is this? It is technically scalping, but it's learning. It's beginner trading, if you will. where I frustrate people. I frustrate myself. I am the people. I am frustrating. It's fine. Ben, what's up? But theoretically, it's scalping. Sir Bill, you're still in along. Where was your entry? Thomas, thanks. I appreciate that. Green is green. Green is green. I would say if it comes back down, but this is just running away. Rip, is yours at the Bob level? Is that where yours is? Growth, you want to start Forex? Oh, okay. Let it go to Oblivion. Rip, I can see you're really proud of yourself for that one, and you know what? That was amazing. That was awesome. Approved. Okay, I should have kept trading today. I've been dead on today. Yeah. Oh, you've been dead on today? Nice, Thomas. But you stopped when you reached your level, right? In the first 5 minutes. Yeah, that was a goodie. I'm thoroughly impressed. Rip, that was spot on. Sir Bill, because you've been doing this for a while, out of curiosity, what would your one biggest tip? I don't know, maybe tip is the wrong word. What would be your words of wisdom to someone who's still a newbie at trading be? Out of curiosity. You don't have to if you don't want to, but you know, I always find it really interesting to see what people who've been trading a long time, what they have to say about, well, this and their opinions. Took some off. Okay, nice, Jordy. Have you been... What's the plan? Have you just kept it at break even? Have you kind of been... What's it called? Trailing. There we go. Have you been trailing your stop loss? Okay, Thomas, because you're so spot on. Is this a good place for potential buy? Oh, are we now just too far gone? Now it's taking out the external liquidity. So gonna want to come take... That was unnecessarily stressful. Cody? Cody's in another one. Let's go! Only true trader. Yep. Always look where the 4 hour is going. Trailed up to 624. Okay, cool. He did. He did. Oh, you asked what time frame I'm on, Serble? I'm on the 1 minute, but yes. I always check where the 4 hour is headed. Livets? I think we are bullish until we form proper structure. Interesting, Thomas. Okay. Okay. This is a tad bit large. Well, no, it's okay. It's okay. So theoretically, I could have taken that one. Rip, I take it as this is now invalid, right? The 10 o'clock. Now invalid, I can delete it. Okay, let's have a look at the 4 hour. So I'm just gonna close all the noise. No, cam Wi-Fi. Okay, so do you believe the 4 hours going to 720 or are we going, ooh, taking out 830? Damn. Sorry, you're not being a bad mod. Jordy, what you talking about? You good, you good. You don't have the right to get rich. You just have to survive being wrong. Hey Franks, what's up? I like that. I like that a lot, okay. Boys, yeah. So is that correct, Sobel? You think it's headed towards the 724 level? I mean, this is very freaking bullish right now. Wow. What did I just do? I feel like I just did something. I don't know what I just did, but I feel like I just did something. Hey, Focus, what's up? Should I add another 5 micros? I'm aware that I just hurt a bunch of people's eyeballs. I'm sorry. Aww. Should have took out some decent liquidity there. Do I try to... I don't know if it's going to retest as far down as this level. That just made nice pivots. Only true trader, whoop whoop, that's amazing! Since when is who? I don't even know who that is, Focus. Is that bad? Who's that? It'll go up for the next few days. I booked $265 on Silver State. Wow, whoop whoop, that's amazing. To gamble. It's 6 grand, made 6 grand in the space of 10 minutes. Prashant, I'm using top one. Yes, top one futures. Took me a minute. December 4th, full moon. Now make up your mind if it's you just said 5th is full moon. As I handle myself, it brings me joy. You guys are terrible. High Life, I got $200 for the 25% decide. It's faith. Oh, High Life! Whoop whoop, look at that. Liking both streams worked. Huh, interesting, yeah, interesting. Let's wait for 11 to see what happens. Jordy, Only True Trader, you guys are giving me such FOMO. I say Jordy and Only True Trader, y'all are making me have such FOMO right now. It's fine. It's not fine. It's fine. Two full moons, okay. That's how mums and dads can catch. Hey Satar, what's up? 15 it is. Oh my greatness. Time to go up December 4th. Obviously, serious. High Life, clearly, you know what? Some guy doesn't make the rules, and clearly some guy was just, ooh, damn. Correct. Ah, that would have sucked. And there's 11. At least I listened to myself to wait for 11. That would have been bad. Jordy, are you out? That's not a pullback. Technically, it's just a tiny supply. And break below the highest bull candle. Oh, okay. okay to fight those emotions out of me yesterday. Yeah, listen, it's a pain in the butt. Jordy? Well, there we go. There's your December bucks you were looking for. However, I might re-enter. Why set limits when you can market order? Guys. Pivots, you bought the low? Jordy, I'm a little bit confused now. Are you in a buy or sell? Would have been down a bunch now. RIP Wi-Fi. No! Wi-Fi doing a thing. Why is it around this time every night it kind of goes, you know what? I'm done. Kinks, bye. Oh no, Wi-Fi don't do this. Wi-Fi don't fail me now. Wi-Fi don't fail me now. Wi-Fi don't fail me now. Ba-da-da-da-da. Should I? Guy who? Why? What's happening? Oh, cheers, Rip. Enjoy. Bye. Oh, okay, Jordy, you were in along. Cool. Thank heavens I waited for 11. What? It's quite sad to witness right now, but I guess it is what it is. Jordy, are you back in on a trade? See, again, that little voice in the back of my head is saying, just mark it in. You can just mark it in, it's fine. It's okay. Just do it. And I'm like, no, don't do that. Bad idea. Bad idea. Oh no. Oh, reconnection successful. Okay, does that mean the Wi-Fi has got its grip together? Not really. Maybe. Potentially. Serious? What? Why? Why does it look like sellers want to kind of take control? I heard you, by the way. Shame you didn't catch the bounce back up there. Oh, no, thanks, Nox. But I'm glad you heard. It wouldn't have hit TP yet, just by the way, but with such a big move, I'm pretty sure I would have taken something. At least trailed. I like to believe. See, again, part of me wants to take this trade. However, it looks like sellers are stepping in. You took a trade into break-even only, into another. If it's within your rules, not be in a trade. Okay, that I know you wouldn't let emotions take over, only fear, but that don't count. I know. I mean, fear is taking over with this one, because technically this one's a goodie. However, this is not okay. However, that being said, if it goes down to a point, I can make it a stop buy. Respecting it a little bit. S&P 500, Sosa, is that what you want? Got a little bit here. Trying a short on Bitcoin. Yeah. Ooh, okay, some guy. Let me know how it goes. Again, the damn silly Billy. And it's all big. Shout out from Earth. Oh, what up, Nino? How's it going? I'm out. Tomorrow's another day. Oh, thanks, sir. Well, thanks for watching, Sir Bill. But I'm assuming, whoop whoop, I'm assuming you had some wins today, right, Sir Bill? Welcome, Earthling. Where's the ellipses? It looks like there's another potentially non-human. No, I'm joking. He's another human. I mean, it's respecting this 50%. No, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. This would have pissed me off. I'll tell you for a fact that wouldn't have tagged me in. Do it, don't do it. Do it, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Shout out from the moon. I knew it, Thomas. I knew it. Oh, wanting to market in right now is really bad. Really bad. Really bad. Okay, I'm just gonna, I need to sit on my hands because I feel like I'm having FOMO properly right now, which is not good. Let's not duck around and find out, right? No ducking around and finding out. Attila, to be fair, I've never heard of that before. So, sorry, I don't have much of an opinion on that. Apologies about that. Luvitz, is that financial advice? Asking for a friend. Okay. I hit there. Not respecting as much as I would have wanted it to. I mean, no. Nuclear energy company you can legally buy stock into. Oh, okay. I've never really heard of it. Has anyone else heard of it? It's IMSR? IMSR? Anyone else have any opinions on that one or not really? Okay. frustrating day. After that, you have to respect. Then you have bullish order block, and it just sweeps the low. It could swing back up, but it could break through, and we end up mitigating more of the lower move. So, Thomas, to be fair, it's kind of what I was looking at. I was thinking if it goes back up, I could maybe get in a buy here. But it feels cheeky. I'm watching to see if it respects it on ES. If it starts pushing on ES again, maybe. Ooh, that would have made me cry. Ooh, that would have made me so sad. Wow, okay. Let's see if it respects this again. I don't know if it will. Pivots. What? What a wild thing to say. Moving on. Jordy, you're hoping for a 9 AM low-ish. Jordy, are you in a sell now? Again, sorry, Jordy, are you now in sells? So basically the 0.2 level. Okay, I think it's just gonna break through. I think we've had all the buy movement that we're gonna have. Don't sound so judgy, damn. My bad, I apologize. Let's rather rephrase this. When did you get into a sell? We break through, first presented now, then I'll trail. Okay. Again, when did you get in? I'm intrigued. Market is at support line, time to buy is all I'm saying. Take a big. Which stock? Oh, sorry, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Attila? Timo, what's up? 605. I'll show my gambling off in the Discord. Thanks, Jordy. I mean, it was a good gamble, I guess, right? If you think about it. Sounds bad, but, you know. Hasn't broken first presented yet. Do you think it's going to maybe just retest a little bit higher up? Because then this could be quite a goodie. Nope, potentially just running away. Can I take this off here? Yep. Do not drink Red Bull and trade. Ooh, maybe that's what I have to do next time. Nope, I've tried that before. I got yelled at by everyone saying, that's gonna kill you. Oh no. Gun to my head, I wouldn't look too long or buy any crypto right now. Ooh, some guy. Is it looking like that bad? Say that bad, but you know what I mean. Better range would be higher up there. Bouncing off a VWAP on the 5 minute as well. How annoying. I bought now, wait, make more than double in jam. Okay. I'm initiating the short tonight. Jordy, whoop whoop, that is amazing. Guys, should I try the short? Is it a bad idea? It's not just... it hasn't broken the first presented though. But it's not rejecting off of it. Oh, it rejected off it similar there. I'm conflicted. Hey, Stevie! Was it Steve? What up, Steve? Next to universe market hit demand and it's flip bullish and need to see confirmation, which means downside for crypto market is most likely. Not like usual one trade a day thing. Ah, okay, that makes sense, Jordy. And it sounds like it's just amazing. What's up, Steve? Dude, you're a true. Yeah. What are you talking about, Luvitz? Okay. Sorry. Being a tad bit much. A little bit too much. Okay, let's think about this. You're snacking that mullah, that bread, that cake, that paper. Hey, Steve, well, I mean, eval. Steve, I'm assuming you've been trading for a while. Y'all are not helping me. Jody, honestly. No, never mind, there it go, broke. If it did go back up, it would have been good, but... it's fine. Risky short now, this might be the end of the dump. Okay. I'm just frustrated on days like this. I guess that is the one problem with the strategy. It works brilliantly on a very specific day. Rangy days, I'm screwed. Days where it just runs away, I'm screwed. But I guess that's where that 70% entry that Rip mentioned could come into play. Sorry, I'm just thinking out loud. I'm sure you guys are so used to me saying that right now. Yes, I trade as well. And almost on Facebook. Damn, Steve. Okay. Awesome. This is your time to shine, your choice. Sway, what do you mean? What does that even mean? Oh, it has not broken the first presented. It's just wicking below it, but it has not broken it yet. Oh, thanks, David. You're so sweet. Thank you. Also, hi. How are you doing? How was the trading day for you? There's one way to see if he's being legit or not. Let's see. Stevie K official. Okay. I guess. Anyways, thank you. I went and checked out your whatchamacallit, your YouTube. But thank you. Thanks for the happy birthday. Right now we're trading back into 1 hour and 4 hour fair value gap. So it might chop and go up, or we can get a strong push down. We could get those 9 a.m. lows. I mean, like, oh, right now you'd be looking for potential setup. Like I said, I did theoretically have, oh, here we go. We've officially broken these lows. If it does potentially hop back up. Okay, it took out the lows on ES. So I'll take out the lows here. I have a really bad idea, but I know it's also a bad idea. Bad idea is this one. But it's just taken out lows on ES, and what ES has been doing right now is taking out lows and taking out highs and taking out lows and taking out highs. Don't do it. Part of me wanted to just do a little sneaky and just say screw it and just put like, I mean, this is itty, I say itty bitty. That's not itty bitty, but still. Nope, there it goes. Maybe I just have to stop being brave again and just marketing in and saying, meh, it broke it, market in. Right, I mean, there, once it broke the first presented, would have been a good place to sell. Once it broke through the first presented and had a little bit of an engulfing candle, wouldn't have been bad. There, it's taken out the lows now. So now do I trust shorts? Not so much. Boogeyman, am I wearing lingerie? No. Oh, nice. Emojio, what's up? How's it going? Thomas, I think Geordie's had a lot of whoop whoops today. So you guys just witnessed me having a proper ramble on about marketing in and apologies. I'm giving myself a pep talk. Damn, lower and lower we go. Hey, it hit rip level. No, not yet. Has it hit rip? It has. Basically hit rip level. There's rip's level. Bad idea. I need you guys to yell at me and tell me not to do something silly. Because I want to do it, but I know it's bad. This is FOMO because this does not have 3 confluences. To an extent, it does not have 3 confluences in my opinion. 1, 2. Stop loss is a little bit tight there. Maybe I got a lost and then some. There you go. Kids never give up. Adopt gambling. Some guy don't do something. Thank you. Thank you, some guy. I need someone to yell at me sometimes because the silly goose wanted to take over. What a frustrating day. I mean, I guess I'm up $23. I guess I shouldn't be such a negative Nelly, but still. No, wait. We have a positive penguin. What would be a negative? A negative... What bird starts with an N? Negative... Like my brain wanted to say ostrich, but I was like, nope. Those shorts were heavy. Right, Elite Profit? Hi, how are you doing, by the way? She says if you see the impulse leg, odds are you've missed it. She's a really disciplined trader. You know what, Geordie? Yeah, fine. What is a confluence? It's basically like a confirmation. Huh? There we go. Negative Nelly. I know, but we need a bird name for it now, Thomas. Because we have a positive penguin, a silly goose. I guess silly. It's not a silly. It's not silly goose. A lucky duck. A negative. I guess negative Nelly works. That's what you go. Zube, I did actually have a trace today. A trade. Ask yourself how you could have caught the big move. Ooh. Marketing in. No, that's bad. Sometimes it feels like that's just the way to go. I mean, I missed this big move up because I was a silly goose with this one. I could have been in this big move up, but even then it would have missed my TP. I'm just fine. But surely by this point I would have at least trailed up or taken partials at one. Am I giving tips on how to be better? Yes and no, not me. Because I'm still learning myself. I need to give myself tips on how to be better. Seven 2.2. What's at that level? Got a Geordie level. Okay, what's that? Little moves, little net. Oh, Chris, that's okay. Welcome. This is a great place to learn. Well, I like to think it's a great place to learn. It can be quite intimidating sometimes. Don't get me wrong. There's a lot of big words and big things and to have a look out for, but Jordy, what is that level for? Chris, maybe, you know what? I will explain confluences. Maybe that'll be the next video. Confluences are goodie. I mean, there's a lot of them though. There can be a few. But for example, so my confluences are fair value gaps. This might be information overload. I apologize. Fair value gaps, order blocks. The first presented fair value gap is a goodie. I call them shelves. Some guy, what is the correct thing for the shelves? I keep forgetting. I'm sorry. I like my shelves. Shelves, order blocks. I don't know if I mentioned order blocks. VWAP. Have I missed any? No, I think those are. The teeny tiny retracement up there. There's signatures that we use. Various methods. Okay. This is now looking better, but again, it's just kind of running away. You gotta figure out what that is. Sorry, Jordy gave me a task. Now, I need to... Is it easier to spot on the higher time frames? Retest the previous highs or lows. Oh, so no comments on if I should buy Berkshire Hathaway. Bruno? Anyone? I'm sorry, I don't even know really what that is. Oh, there we go. Thanks, Jordy. Jordy's got this. Zube, I'm so sorry. I feel like I did not answer you. I did take a trade. It was unfortunately a break even, but I'm still in the green by $23. So, you know, winning. Okay. Let me just remember this level. It's at... No, don't do it. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. It's now lunchtime as well. Leave it alone. Let me check 5 minutes. I feel like I'm being blonde. Is it super obvious and I'm just being a silly Billy? Ugh. 7250. I mean, I see a lot of resistance here, and there's a bit of an inverse and order block. Okay. And I'm checking on the 240. Oop. Okay. Jordy, you confuddled my brain, but it's fine. I'll figure it out. Because I'm stubborn. I will go and figure it out. Well, wait. Google going pretty well. Got a sweet 90% gain on it. Should I book it or hold? Oh, damn, bro. I mean, have you taken partials? I think times of days, not market structure. Hey, thank you. Was they open at this time? Because I marked the open here. Maybe I marked it wrong. It was the 3, where's 4? No. 4's up there, but it's in between the both. Oh, wait. Okay. I figured it out, but... Okay. Jordy, I'm gonna figure this out, but... I'm gonna call it there for today, because I'm feeling frustrated now. And like I said, if FOMO wants to kick in... Look at this! This could be good. Yeah, I mean, I don't love where the stop loss is. It could go higher up, actually. I'm gonna leave this open to make myself angry. Okay, I'm gonna call it there for today. Let me go have some adult grape juice to celebrate today. Point is, guys, we're in the green by $23, but we're in the green. Green do be green. Okay. Am I annoyed? Yes, but it is what it is. Bam, 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 bam. Sorry, all the weirdness is coming out. I apologize. I do apologize. bad at these. Okay. I'm gonna call it there. Midnight open price. Midnight open price? Okay. Touch cross. Interesting. That made me so sad right now. Oh my gosh. Just Jordy saying assignment failed actually made me really sad. Why you gotta make me sad on my birthday, Jordy? Damn. I'm joking. I'm joking. I will be better. I will learn. I've got this. We've got this. Don't do what I want you to do now. That's fine. I'm gonna call it. You guys have an amazing evening or day. Or middle of the night, depending on where you're at. I will see you then tomorrow. You guys are amazing. As always, thank you for joining. If you want to show more love and support, just like Jordy did. Mad love, Jordy. Don't forget to please use my code if you use any of the prop firms that are in the description below. Again, you guys are amazing. Thank you always for the love and support. And teaching me slowly but surely. I can imagine it's quite frustrating for you guys sometimes, so I do apologize. I do apologize, but you guys are amazing. Thank you, thank you. I will be back tomorrow. London session. Let's do this older and wiser. Okay. I love you guys madly. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.